Hey all, in today's 1 Minute with Dan, what I'm going to take you through is how to connect your Klaviyo account with your Shopify store. Okay, so here we are in our Elite Brands Klaviyo account. If I just click down here on the brand, click on integrations, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an integration and I'm going to type in Shopify. There it is there. Now this is a native integration. You need to provide your Shopify URL. On site you'll be prompted to configure that when you get into your Shopify store. Then you need to select the list when people subscribe through your website where you want them to go to. If you've set up SMS with all your legals, you can sync your SMS subscribers to Klaviyo as well. And then what I like to do is go through and make sure that it does sync everything in, and it'll pick up all historical data as well. And it's as simple as that. Then all you do is click connect to Shopify. That's all I've got for you today.